Now we are going to discuss over arithmetic section. All of you know in arithmetic section 3 chapters. Chapter number 1 is simple interest, number 2 is compound interest, as number 3 is partnership business. Simple interest chapter already over. Now compound interest. What is compound interest? That interest which comes in a specific year or half year or quarterly year. If simple interest principal rupees 1000, rate of interest 10% and time equal to 3 years, then SI equal to PRT by 100. PRT by 100. That is 1000 into rate is 10, time is 3 by 100. So it is 3 into 30 into 3, that is 300. In the compound interest, this 300 increased. Why? The formula of compound interest, CI equal to amount minus principal and amount equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power N. That is, principal is 1000, 1 plus R is 10% and N is also 3. That is 1000 into 10 plus 1, that is 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10. So 11 square 121 into 11, that is 11 into 1 11 to the 22 plus 1 23, 22 plus 1 23, 11 into 2, that is 13, 1331, that is amount, and CI, that is compound interest, because 1331 minus 1000, that is 331. So look at the position. In simple interest in 3 years, that is 300. In compound interest in 3 years, the interest is 331. So 31 rupees increased here. That is the main difference between compound interest and simple interest. You will get more money when you invest some money in compound interest. That is the main thing. So today we are going to discuss over the sum compound interest. So the first sum. The price of a machine in a leather factory depreciates at the rate of 10% every year. If the present price of the machine be 1 lakh, calculate what will be the price of that machine after 3 years. The main thing is depreciates. The formula is the same. Amount equal to P into, here depreciates, so 1 minus R by 100 to the power N. So here the amount in this case is 10,000. 1 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And P into 1 minus R, that is 10%, 10 by 100. And the number of year is 3. So what will be happen? So after 10 years, after 3 years, the money of this machine will decrease. So in this case, this portion will not be here. So what will be the answer? The amount here depreciates. So this is not applicable in this case. So which formula is applicable here? Here amount means the depreciate value. So in this case, 1 lakh 1,000,000 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 100 will be here, not in here. So if you do this in this sum in this way, that will be a mistake. So 1 minus r by 100 to the power n. Look at the figure. Amount here, the depreciating value, the before 3 years the value was 1 lakh, and after 3 years the value will be depreciates. So in this case the sum will be wrong. In this case the sum will be right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into cutting 10, 0 and 0, 10 minus 1, that is 9 by 10, 9 by 10 into 9 by 10 into 9 by 10. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 9's cube, there are 729, 0, 0. So 72,900. In this case, the money will be increased. So you have to, if you want to do in this way, the sum will be wrong. If you want to do in this way, the sum will be correct. Because depreciating value is 72,900 and the previous value was 1 lakh. So the sum is, the answer is 72,900. So answer, ANS, answer. The calculate what will be the price of the machine after 3 years. The price, here I see, price of that machine after 3 years will be rupees 72,900. So first sum is over. So formula is the same, 1 plus r by 100. Here the depreciating value 1 minus. Don't do that. You have to do in this way. Okay. Now the second sum, that is also very interesting. We know the height of a tree increases day by day, year by year. The height and month by month. The height of a tree increases at the rate of 20% every year. If the height of a tree is 100 meter, after 1 year it will be 120, like this way. If the present height of that machine is 28.8 meter, let us calculate the height of the machine 2 years before. So you have to write the formula in the same way. Amount equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Why in this case P? Because after present height 28.8 meter. In the place of amount you have to write 28.8, and P, the height was 2 years, 3 years before, that is P. 1 plus rate of increasing is 20% here. Look at the percentage. 20%, 20 by 100, and the year is 2. So 20 into 5, that is P into 5 plus 1, 6 by 5 into 6 by 5. Therefore, P is equal to 28.8 into 5 into 5 by 6 into 6. Omitting the decimal, 28.8 into 5 into 5 divided by 10 into 10 is for the case of decimal, 6 into 6. 5 to ja 10, 6, 4, 24. 6 into 4, 24, 24, 4 into 8, 6, 8 ja 28. So 5 into 4, that is 20. So before 2 years, the height of that tree was 20 meter. And the answer is, therefore before 2 years, the height of that tree was 20 meter. Okay, the second sum is over. Now the third sum, that is also very, very interesting. As a result of publicity, and that is a practical sum, that is a very practical sum. And this sum is important for your Madhyamik exam also. As a result of publicity of smoking, the number of smokers is decreased by 61 by 4%. So publicity also against smoking, so that is we depreciates. It is easily you can understood every year in comparison to the previous year. If the number of smokers at the present in a city is 33750, let us write by calculating the number of smokers in that city 3 years before. The same formula you have to write amount equal to P into 1 minus R by 100 to the power n. Here at present the smoker is 33750, this one. So you have to write here 33750. So before 3 years the P, value of P, before 3 years the number of smokers, P is equal to the number of smokers before 3 years 1 minus the depreciating value is, look at the percentage, 61 by 4, minority follows 61 by 4 divided by 100, and the number of years is 3. So the sum is clear. 6 into 4 24 into plus 125, 4 into the 25, 4 into 100, that is 400, 3. So P into 400 minus 25, 375 divided by 400 Q. Therefore P is equal to 33750 into 400 into 400 into 400 divided by 375 into 375 into 375. Now all of you look at the calculation. If you want to cut 2, 3, 4, 5, that will be very bad. Why? You have to cutting 400 and 375 in the big tables. The big table here is 25. 25 into 16. 25 into 16. 25 into 16. That is 400. And 25 into 15. That is 375. 15 375. 15 375. And 15 to the 30. 37. 15 to the 30. 5 75. 0. 10. So 16 into 16 into 16, that is 16 into 16 into 16 into 10. 16 into 16, 256. The rough work here, 256 into 16. So result is 4096, and here is 10. So 40960. So number of smokers of that city before 3 years is 40960. The answer is 40960. So you have to write, therefore the number of smokers of that city 3 years before was 4096.